everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today we are going to check out this blood pressure monitor. I feel like it's definitely quite nice to have it in your household just to, periodically give yourself and your loved ones a checkup. And yes guys, it comes with USB connection that you can actually connect to your laptop or an outlet, which is I'm going to do right now. And yes guys, also there is an option if, for example, you're traveling, you can actually put batteries inside. It requires 4 batteries, AAA, so the smaller ones. And yes, it also comes with this very convenient cuff. So yes, let's actually test it out together right now. And yes guys, I'm just going to hold it your way. And no, I believe I have to hold it my way like this. And yes, what I really like, there is actually are instructions of how you would do it. So yes, let me place it on my hand. And you see, it shows you where the artery should be located, where this circle is, which is super helpful. And yes guys, it goes in nice and tight, and now I'm just going to relax and press on the start button. And yes, all you do is just press on this one button and this is what you see. Super excited to find out what is my pressure is. I've been working out in the morning, swimming, surfing, lifting, and right now I've been just sitting down working for a couple of hours, so I'm curious to find out what my pressure is. And I heard you're not supposed to talk, so it can be not 100% accurate. I feel like the cuff is definitely super strong. And yes guys, it shows 117 by 96 by 91. And yes guys, so it is quite normal, so definitely check it out.